Alright, so we got this Tesla Air Compressor and tire repair kit, and I'm not gonna lie, it was confusing, as everybody has said. I think when you open it, first of all, I have to say I thought it was like bigger, so I'm actually happy. It's quite small, but then you get this little case, and you're like, what is this? Okay, you open it, just unzip it, and then you get the device in here. This is where it starts to get confusing, because you're like, okay, so how do I pump up my tire, right? You're like, you find this, which is clearly to screw into the onto the valve, but then it's like, well, there's a power button, but like, where do you plug it in and all this stuff, you know? So found out from watching other videos, but they were sort of a bit long, or not clear, that you want to slide this out. This is my first time trying it, but you want to push it, I think this direction of the, no, maybe this direction. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, so you got to use some muscle. It's not too hard, but you got to really put something into it to get it off. So you just push in the direction of the valve on the back, right? Now this is tire repair kit stuff. We're not doing that today. Maybe I'll make another video about that. I don't know. But that's the key for that. But still, like, where's the plug, right? Like, what is this thing? So there's this little box here. You're gonna want to pull this with these three little dots. Oh, sort of like the Model 3. And you want to apparently slide it in that direction. So again, I got put a little bit into it. This stays connected, which is good. And then inside here is the quite long, tied up and quite long cord to connect this to the cigarette lighter thing, which is super weird that we still have those, but what's useful about them is for devices like this where you can power something. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna untie this, plug it in to the cigarette lighter port in the car, and then pump up the tire. All right, so inside this 2019 Tesla Model 3, you find the port for this right here. So you just open it up and plug it in. All right, so you sort of kind of snap it in there with the metal parts on the side. It snaps in. There's some little grooves there. And, all right, so now we've got it plugged in. We've got the cord, the cable running down here with the device. I've gone ahead and unscrewed the cap on the valve, and we've got the thing to plug in. Or to screw on. It's at 0 because it's not screwed on right now. As we screw it on, it slowly starts to show how much pressure is in the tire. So we're at 39.7 here. We really want to be at like 42, but we got 43, 44 maybe. So we turn it on. There we go. Just decided to have some fun and go up to 444. That's it. Easy to use, simple. I'm going to do the other 3 tires and pack it up, put it away.
Hi, my name is Scott Cooney. I started CleanTechnica to promote clean energy and other sustainable alternatives, and for 13 years, we've been moving markets. If we had a nickel for every time someone told us they bought their first EV, solar, e-bike, or fill in the blank clean energy solution, we'd be a cable TV channel by now. But we don't get those nickels. So unfortunately, we could use your help to reach a few more people. If just 1% of our audience chipped in a few bucks a month, we could hire dozens of great journalists and promote all sorts of climate solutions. It's easy. Just go to cleantechnica.com/support and sign up with a credit card in seconds. Cancel anytime. But we'll be sending out some cool perks too, so I think you'll want to stick around. With your support, we'll keep leading the charge. Thank you so much.